All right, so this video is on embedded versus linked files. If you want to bring a JPEG into your document, you say File, Place, and when you do that, this one is called Colorful Bird, so I'm going to select it again here. I have a choice of linking it or embedding it, okay? So it's not permanent one way or the other. I can actually go back and affect this, but if you know which one you want to do, it's certainly easier to do it in the beginning, so you don't have to go into the program and do it afterwards as well. So you can choose to link it, or you can choose to embed it, all right? I already have them both here. This one is embedded. How can I tell? Up top here in the control panel, it says Image, Colorful Bird, and it has the thing that says Unembed, all right? So obviously if I wanted to take it back to a link, I would click Unembed and then it would become a link. And it asks where it is and it wants to go and find it, okay? If I have a linked file, you'll notice up top here that these little options changed. Now up here on the control panel, it says Linked File, Colorful Bird JPEG still, and this time the option there says Embed. And also right next to it, it says Edit Original. So if I click here, you'll see that Edit Original is grayed out. This is on my embedded file. On my linked file, Edit Original is active. That is because I can go back and I can, when it is linked, find the computer itself will find that file and update it, or I can go edit it. I could change this bird's color to a completely different color. It will, the problem here is that it might open it, let's see, yeah, in preview, because I have my computer set up to open JPEGs in preview. So I would have to just go to Photoshop directly and change it. But because it is linked, when I change it in Photoshop, it would change here as well. Whereas this one being embedded would not. So let's test that little theory right there. I'm going to open Photoshop. It's going to take a second here. And we're going to close that and say File, Open. See if I can find this quickly. Colorful Bird. There she is. Open. And I'm just going to, I'll make this bigger for you, go in here. And this is not part of your learning for Illustrator. This is your part of your learning for Photoshop. But replace color. I'm going to pick the blue here, and I'm going to make it something different. This is obviously different. Well, make it purple-ish. Pinkish. All right, so colorful bird has been altered there, and I'm going to do a save. Okay, and then when I go back into Illustrator, it says some files are missing or modified in the links panel. Would you like to update them now? And I say yes, and this bird changed. This bird did not, because he was embedded. He cannot be changed in that same fashion. All right, so linked files are useful because you can change this. Embedded files are useful because if I take this file right now and I send it to you, and I just send you this AI file, I name it bird, and I send it to you, when you get it, you will only see this bird with the blue chest. You will not see the bird with the purplish chest. And the reason is that I did not send along the linked file. I would have to send colorfulbird.jpg along with the AI file to make this one come with it. So the embedded one is in my AI file, taking up space. The linked one is just a link to that file. It's not taking up space, but it can be changed and it will update automatically in Illustrator when it does change. So those are the differences between the two and the usefulnesses of the two. Both of them can be image traced, and obviously once they are image traced, they will neither one be linked nor embedded anymore. They will become vector graphics, but they are, besides that, those choices fairly similar. All right, I hope that helped you to understand embedding a little bit better, and I will see you next time.